The old adage, you are what you eat, is really true. And research shows that what you eat has a profound impact on your overall health and wellness, and that includes your ability to cope with your arthritis. So I wish I could tell you that there was one food that would magically cure your arthritis, and unfortunately I cannot do that. But I can tell you that healthy eating for arthritis is actually pretty simple. It's just about the same as healthy eating for everybody else. Vegetables and fruits should form the largest part of your diet. They should make up half your plate at every meal. So go for smaller portions of whole grain foods and of protein foods. Animal proteins like lean meat, fish, or dairy are okay, but in moderation. You're going to want to choose protein foods that come from plants way more often. So add lentils and nuts and seeds to your diet. Now, this approach is very similar to the Mediterranean diet, and that diet has been recommended for people with arthritis for years. Healthy eating may sound expensive, but it really doesn't have to be. You can choose frozen vegetables and fruits. They're an affordable option that keep longer, they have less waste, they contain just as much nutrition as fresh food, and sometimes they're easier to prepare when you have sore hands. Your body actually needs fat. It needs healthy fats because we need fat to help us get more energy, and fat also helps us to absorb some nutrients. But we have to make sure we choose healthy fats and we avoid things like saturated fat and trans fat. And be careful of products that are advertised as being low fat or fat-free, because they may have replaced the fat with sugar or maybe salt or something else that's not really any better for you. So stick with healthy oils like olive oil, some cold water fish, some nuts, and other sources of healthy fats. If you do choose an ultra-processed food, please eat them less often and in smaller amounts, especially snack foods, because snack foods are typically high in salt, saturated fat, and sugars, or all of the above, and come with other additives. It's always better to prepare your own meals and snacks using natural ingredients and minimally processed foods when you can. When you're thirsty, drink water. It's what your body wants anyway. And sugary drinks like pop or fruit drinks offer little, if any, nutritional value. When it comes to changing your eating habits, please keep in mind that a very restrictive diet can be difficult to stick to. But by making small, sustainable changes that embrace healthy eating, you can really improve your overall health and your ability to manage and live well with your arthritis. The best way to make an informed plan for healthy eating is to consult with your physician and, whenever you can, with your registered dietitian. Have a look at the new Canada's Food Guide. That's going to offer you some great tips and some other information about portion size and healthy eating. For more detailed information and tips on living well with arthritis, please visit arthritis.ca/education.